We have fuel. 2 bars. Why am I getting water on my feet? Rich Viper Media, we're back again, but today we're on the bike. Now we have some van in front of us doing, I don't know, 30 kilometers an hour. And today we're on the bike. We're taking a break from the car, waiting for my spacers to come in. They're gonna probably take a week, so won't see the car for a week or so. But I might do some videos about this overtaking. But you might see me doing some videos about the bumpers, the M Sport kit, because I made no progress on them since the last video. Oh wow, it's windy. So I'm gonna start working on that as well. And yeah, so you're probably gonna see more bike videos for the next few days. A little bit about the bike. So this is a Yamaha FZ6, or in other words Fazer, and it's a 600cc bike. It has, I don't know, about 90 horsepower or so. It has the same engine as the R6 would have, but it's detuned. It's an injector bike, so there's no carbs, no bullshit like that. A very straight bike. It's half cruiser, half sports bike, so you can really take your turns, and at the same time you can, cruise, and it's nice and soft. Another turn. And another turn. And this is my first bike ever. So I went straight away for 600cc, because 125 I don't think it's safe bike to drive. Because if you're, like, the bike's going up to 120 kilometers an hour, and if you need to overtake someone, or someone is like up your ass, you can't really get away from them, and it's just, I feel like I'd be in danger on 125. Like 400, yeah, 400 is alright, but I just wanted to start with 600. Didn't get a sport bike, so that's a plus, I guess. So yeah, driving on this, it has like 50k miles on it or something. I already upgraded some handlebars, some handlebar ends, bolts and stuff, and what else? I've done something else to it. Oh, brand new tires. I went through like 5-6 different indicators, they all keep blowing on me. So I decided to go back to stock ones. And yeah, that's the bike. I still need to replace the windscreen, mirrors. I want to get something more newish looking kind of mirror, But other than that, the bike is great. It has an aftermarket exhaust, I'm sure you can hear it. So it's nice and loud. And I feel like every bike should be loud, because then people are more aware of you. And your bike is like so quiet and people don't even see you coming. Or if you're standing behind them and you decide to overtake them or something, they don't see you coming. So it's the best way to have is a loud bike. Well, maybe not straight bike, but at least the back box cleaned up, So yeah. Why am I getting water on my feet? I think ever since I washed it, there was some water in some plastic panels or something left over, and it's literally dripping into my shoe. And it's not even raining or not. yeah, that's a little bit about my FZ6. Da-da-da-da. I don't know. That's all now. All right, thank you. Shit. Ugh.